Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amex to enroll in shop small offers easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the American Express website. Log into your American Express account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the offers section on the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Shop Small Offers. Click on the Shop Small link to view the available offers. Next, locate the button that says Enroll Now or Enroll in Offers. Click on this button to begin the enrollment process. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security code sent to your registered phone number or email. Check your email or phone for the verification code and enter it as requested. After verification, you will see a list of participating shop small businesses. Select the businesses you wish to support by clicking Enroll next to each offer. Review the terms and conditions associated with each offer before finalizing your enrollment. Once you have made your selections, confirm your enrollment. You will receive a confirmation notification that you are now enrolled in the Shop Small Offers. Next, visit one of the selected businesses to start taking advantage of your offers. Remember to use your American Express card when making purchases at these locations. That's it. You are now successfully connected to the Shop Small Offers through your American Express account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.